Have you ever felt like you're drifting without a direction? Like every day is a blur of uncertainty and confusion? I've been there. Today, we're talking about finding purpose when life feels directionless. If you're feeling lost, know this. It's okay to not have all the answers. Even when it feels like you're just surviving, every moment is part of a journey towards something more. Hi guys, welcome back to Living Between the Lines. And before we dive into today's series, I just want to acknowledge the fact that April is a sexual assault awareness month, and to all the survivors that are out there, just know that Living Between the Lines community see you and love you. And if you do want to reach out, well, I'm not a qualified therapist or anything. I am just a survivor too. We can work the journey together and you can go to therapy, you can speak up, you can decide to share your story, you can do what you think is best for you. All in all, I love you. Back to today's series or episode, Finding Purpose When Life Feels Directionless. Over the past few weeks, we've shared the raw truth about mental health, trauma, and the struggles to connect. Today, I want to dive into a feeling that too many of us know very, very well, feeling lost and directionless. I used to believe that by now, by now, I'll be married. Like, honestly, I used to believe that, but it's okay. I guess in that part, I am directionless. I'm kidding. But okay, I am because I don't know what's going on. But when the time is right, I will come back, guys. Nay, and once the time comes, I'm going to say my face. I'll just put my finger on the screen and then I'll start talking. So I also believe that by a certain age, my path will be clear, my purpose will be neatly defined. Even something they will preach about purpose, and then you will be like, no man, by this time, your life will be like this, like that, like that. But life doesn't work like that. The uncertainty, the twist, the tense, they are all part of growing and evolving. If you are in this place where everything feels uncertain, remember, feeling lost doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are on the journey of growth. You are growing in that midst of confusion when we are cool. Everywhere we look on social media, in conversations, even within ourselves, there is this overwhelming pressure to have it all figured out. We're constantly bombarded with images of people who seem to have a clear purpose, a defined path, and it makes us feel like we're just falling behind. Yeah, when sometimes ukubone someone that you went to school with doing so well and you think I when you are left behind. And guys, believe me when I say living with the mental health challenges like BPD and depression, it makes this thing very worse. The pressure becomes worse. I've had days when the weight of expectations felt very unbearable, when I questioned why my journey wasn't as clear or as smooth as everyone else. But the truth is, purpose isn't a destination you reach overnight, it's something that unfolds over time. For a long time, I believed that my purpose was fixed in a single goal or calling that I needed to discover. But life has taught me that purpose isn't aesthetic. It changes, it grows, and sometimes it even surprises you. There have been moments in my life where I thought my purpose was tied to one career or one passion. Then life decided that we're gonna redirect you, my sister, through education, a creative project, and my personal struggles. I've realized that each step, even the uncertain one, was adding layers to who I am and to who I am becoming. Every twist in the road has taught me that purpose is not a final destination, but it's a journey of a continuous discovery. So, how do we start finding purpose when everything feels directionless? That's the main question I am asking myself too. So, here are like few steps that have helped me along the way, and I think they can help you too. Number one, self reflection. I've begun asking myself what makes me feel alive. Food, guys. Okay, I'm serious. No, I'm playing. Oh, no, no, no. We are serious here. Instead of stressing about grand purpose, I started journaling about moments that brought joy or a deep meaning, even the little ones. They did make a certain impact in my life. And then number two, I decided that I'm going to try new things. Purpose isn't always found in a single passion. Sometimes it's about explaining or exploring new hobbies, reading diverse perspective, or simply stepping out of your comfort zone. Every new experience adds a piece to the puzzle. Then we will see this beautiful puzzle, and finding the pieces wasn't easy. Embracing uncertainty. Guys, I can't pronounce uncertain, but being uncertain. Uncertain. Yes. Hey, this is the first additional language to me, so please. I've learned that it's perfectly okay not to have all the answers. Some days, purpose is simply about being present, acknowledging that every step, no matter how small it is, it's just part of your story. Guys, I am home. So the breakdown now is one into the breakdown. The background noise. I hope angeke zisiphazamisi. We're gonna have this session, we're gonna learn, and I'm gonna share what I have. Because if ngingakwenzi manje, I know myself I'm gonna procrastinate. There is something, guys, that we need to talk about. Length of postponing things. Ah, yes, Bambezela shame. I'm one of those people who are struggling with procrastinating. To everyone who's gonna watch this, hi guys, nasibambeni prayers fast in against the spirits of procrastinating. So I was on number three on embracing being uncertain. Number four, celebrating small victories like this one. Actually recording this video while I am home, knowing very well that there are a lot of things that can disturb me, but you know what? I am recording it, and you know what? That a win for me, and that deserves ukuthi celebrate and actually post the video. That is something we are saying in this series, that we are having raw conversations, unfiltered conversations. So this is it. Number four, celebrating small victories. I've said that. Whether it's a day where you felt more connected or a moment when you recognized your own strength, every bit of progress is worth celebrating. These small victories build the foundation of the purposeful life. I won't pretend like I've always had it together. Honestly, I still don't. There are days when being uncertain feels overwhelming, when the darkness seems to stretch on. But I've come to understand that those moments aren't failure, they are part of the journey. For me, purpose isn't defined by grand achievements or sudden, achievement, that thing that happens in the blink of an eye. And you're like, oh my God, I didn't expect this. And then, no, it's found in the everyday choices, in the learning to be kind to myself, and in recognizing that every step, even being uncertain, moves me forward. If you are feeling lost right now, please remember your journey is uniquely yours. Every breakthrough is shaping a purpose that is waiting to unfold. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me as we explored the idea of finding purpose amongst uncertainty. Hi, I hope that by sharing my journey, you find a bit of hope and inspiration in your own path. Guys, even Jesus. Siyangihlekisa lesi story because I find it funny. Even Jesus didn't just come and die. He lived, but he came ukuthi enze njani azosindisa abantu bakaNkulunkulu ezonweni zabo. By what? By dying. He didn't just die. He could have immediately died. So you see with the purpose, it's a journey. It just doesn't happen overnight. You get it. No, David, akazange guys, akazange aqhamuke sekushaya oGoliath. Baqale walwa namabhele. So asingayirush le process, yabona. Let's be patient with ourselves. Well, to be honest, I would love to hear from you guys. Like, what small steps are you taking today towards finding purpose? Drop your thoughts and experiences on the comment section below. Let's build a community where we can support each other, even whether the way forward isn't clear or it's clear, but we're going to support one another. I will really appreciate if I see those comments because the aim of this series is to actually build a community. If this episode ikuthintile yabo, pinch me. Or this episode resonates now, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this reminder today. Even if it's me, share it with me. Even if in 3 days' time you think I need to go back and listen to this, please send it back to me. I am also a human. Remember, every step counts, and your purpose is folding even on the days when you feel like you are definitely lost. Until next time, keep moving forward one step at a time. I love you guys.